kills the case immediately. Parliament must be very clear, because if you're imposing a penalty on people taking away their freedom, the law must be very clear. Our Endangered Species Act does not expressly prohibit it. That is the one gap I just want, keeping it very simple, the one gap you should keep in mind. That's the number one major defect. The number two defect with the Endangered Species Act is that the bill does not, in making prohibitions, it does not reference the CITES listings. Now, this is important. Remember I mentioned there are 3 lists, Appendix 1, Appendix 2, Appendix 3. If you go to the CITES convention, they have their convention, one is coming up at the end of this year, every year. They have a science committee. These listings are not done, they're not done randomly. They have a plants committee, like you see a big room that is like from here to the airport. Oh, I'm sorry. And it's full of scientists. And what they do is at every year, they consider the list again. Okay, which one has sort of improved? You can bring it down to a country economically. That is just what I want to. So this law is seeking to enforce that, to make sure that one person doesn't go and steal everything to enrich himself. Thank you very much.
And try and convince your editor on why wildlife matters and why the environment stories matter. It's very important that we do that. I would also like to say that we have built a community here right now. Yes, we may have known each other before now, but I think we should build a community where we can bounce off ideas, story ideas, and all of that. So I would ask Favor to please create a WhatsApp platform, so we can be in touch with each other. There are a lot we need to learn from each other. So I'd like to thank everyone and to say that we have a certificate to award, but because we also want to be conscious of our carbon footprints.
Every little helps.
Yes. So we're going to send you e-copy that will display the e-copy. We'll see. So thank you very much, everyone. Please keep in touch. I expect that from next week we'll have a lot of stories on wildlife and conservation. Please grab anyone you want. Grab me, grab Linus, grab Festus, everyone. And our dear friend is a target because that bill has to be brought to the fore.
Yeah.
It's important. That bill, discussion around should be brought. Let me also thank Ayola for, I had to pull her out of her very busy schedule to be here. And she's quite passionate about the environment, wildlife, and she's been doing that. I expect that you would all cross-fertilize ideas, please, because that's the only way we can make our impact felt and be the light in whatever sphere of influence. So thank you so much. Favor, thank you for job well done.